Okay guys, let's get started. First, I'm going to make directory SQLite3-Python. Okay, I'm going to change directory SQLite3-Python. Right, already in this my directory. This is my absolute path. Okay, I'm going to split it up into two, and then I'm going to change directory the same SQLite3-Python. So on the right side here, this is the place where I'm going to run for the script and so on. So you have using the Python. And on the left side, here I'm going to create a file, touch main.py. Okay, see there's a file here, main.py. So I'm using Vim. You can use any text editor that or IDE that you prefer. So main.py, right? So in here and just hide this main.py. Let's create the main function. Call it as a menu. So then define main, and then here will be the greeting. Print, right? 3, 4, 5. To do app, and then 3, 4, 5. Oh, sorry. Okay. So we need to call the functions. And here we're going to run our file main.py to do app, right? Let's see what's the list of the files. Currently we only have main.py. And now it's time for me to go create a new database. So again, first before we're going to create a new database, we need to import SQLite3. Okay, just put a comment here, create new database. Sorry. And sorry. Is here. The command will be SQLite3, and we are going to use the connect functions and name it our database as todo.db. So we need to assign this as a connections. So I'm going to save this and back to our shell and run Python 3, or you can simply put a Python main.py because I've set my Python 3 as my default. Okay, so I'm going to list out the files. So now I already have todo.db, right? After I created our database todo.db, Then we are going to create a table for that. But before that, we need to create a cursor object. So we put here weights con, and then so con dot cursor. So this is the cursor functions. So simply put here C to assign it as a cursor object. Name it a C. Okay, it's time for me to create a table. To create a table, just simply put here create table. If not, access to do. ID integer, primary key, then that's text not null. Right? And we need to create a function for creating a table. Define create table, and then to execute this command, you need to wrap it using the Python code, which is okay, using our cursor object, which is C dot execute. So I'm going to cut this and paste in between here. Okay. And just we put here print as notification table created. Let's save this. Go back to our shell. Here Python main.py. I see. I haven't yet enabled call the functions. So put here, yes, create table. So this will call this create table functions inside the main functions, and then the main will run it for the table creation. Again, Python main.py. Yes, table created. Okay, let me clear up these things. Go to the top. It will automatically move to the top, and simply type here SQLite3 and the name of the database todo.db. So we going to type databases, issues that we have connected to the todo.db, and this is the absolute path that we've been doing here. And so let's see if there's tables here. Yeah, we got a to-do table, and now type a schema to-do. Right? Same there's tables, key and text not now. And if let's say we want to check Pragma table info. Yeah, right. Starting from 0, and then just the ID is integer, ID integer, and then the next one is task and so on. So I'm going to exit and go back to the top. Thanks for watching the video tutorial. If you like the video and haven't yet subscribed, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to Python Hack channel. By the way, if you have the means, you can support us and click the link given below, coffee.com/pythonhack, by buying or tip us coffee. See you soon. Again, thank you very much.